哎呦我天！对，我说后面那个，成了泡水车了。
On July 19th, many areas in Shanghai experienced heavy rain, with heavy rain in Yangpu District causing flooding. Meteorological authorities predicted that areas such as Wujiaochang and Xinjiangwan Town in Yangpu District may experience short-term heavy rain exceeding 100 millimeters per hour, while Yangpu and Hongkou Districts are also at risk of hail. This heavy rainfall is likely to cause urban flooding, and the meteorological department reminded residents to exercise caution when traveling. The Shanghai Meteorological Observatory updated its orange heavy rain warning for the central urban area to a blue heavy rain warning at 5:10 p.m. on July 19th, 2026. It is estimated that before midnight tonight, most of the central urban area will still experience short-term heavy rain with an hourly rainfall of 20 to 40 millimeters. The orange heavy rain warning has been updated to a blue heavy rain warning. Please be aware of possible urban flooding caused by heavy rain. At 5:30 p.m. on July 19th, reporters received information from the Shanghai Flood Control Office that, due to strong thunderstorm clouds, Shanghai was experiencing moderate to heavy rain, with some areas experiencing heavy to very heavy rain, starting around noon. The Shanghai Flood Control Office stated that Yangpu District had reached the extremely heavy rain level, while Hongkou District, Pudong New Area, and Baoshan District had reached the heavy rain level. At 2:35 p.m. that day, the Shanghai Meteorological Observatory upgraded the yellow level heavy rain warning for the central urban area to an orange alert. It was predicted that before midnight that day, Wujiaochang, Xinjiangwan Township, and other towns in Yangpu District might experience short-term heavy rain exceeding 100 millimeters per hour, and some roads in Baoshan, Yangpu, and other areas would experience significant waterlogging. yellow warnings for hail, strong winds, and thunderstorms remained in effect simultaneously, creating a severe convective weather warning pattern of 3 yellows and 1 orange for Shanghai. A Level 3 emergency response for flood and typhoon prevention in the central urban area continues to be implemented. In meteorology, 100 millimeters of rainfall refers to rainwater forming a layer 100 millimeters thick on a horizontal surface under ideal conditions without runoff, infiltration, or evaporation. If such rain falls on an area of 1 square meter, it is equivalent to pouring 100 liters of water. Over an area of 1 square kilometer, the volume of water would reach 100,000 cubic meters, weighing approximately 100,000 tons.
我的妈耶！这些要熄火的，我告诉你，这些要熄火的。那这个车估计要熄火。哎呦！你看这个车，哎呀，我的妈嘞！这成河了都。开坦克啊！什么牌子的电池？
According to a flood situation bulletin released by the Shanghai Flood Control Office at 5:30 p.m. yesterday, July 19th, due to strong storm clouds, Shanghai experienced moderate to heavy rainfall, with some areas experiencing heavy to extremely heavy rain, starting yesterday afternoon. The Shanghai Flood Control Office stated that Yangpu District reached the extremely heavy rainfall level, while Hongkou District, Pudong New Area, and Baoshan District reached the heavy rainfall level. Of the 662 rain gauge stations across the city, the average rainfall across the city was 29.7 millimeters, with 3 stations experiencing very heavy rainfall, 20 stations experiencing heavy rainfall, 139 stations experiencing heavy rainfall, 124 stations experiencing heavy rainfall, and 102 stations experiencing moderate rainfall.
小一点了，我估计这个水要退还要一阵子。
The highest rainfall at a single station was 212.8 millimeters, 1 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. on the 19th. At the Yangpu Wujiaochang Meteorological Observation Station in Yangpu District, and the highest hourly rainfall was 104.5 millimeters, 1:40 p.m. to 2:40 p.m. on the 19th, at the same station.
那一瞬间好吓人哦，那是你的车啊！
我得走了，再不走走不掉了。
According to the China Weather Network, from July 18th to 21st, as cold air moves eastward and southward, and the subtropical high pressure weakens and retreats eastward, the main rain belt will move toward the southwest, the Jianghan Plain, the Jianghuai Plain, and the northern Jiangnan region, with some areas potentially experiencing short-term heavy rain, thunderstorms, strong winds, and hail. Shanghai is currently located on the edge of the subtropical high pressure and is under the influence of the rain belt. Warm, moist air continuously transports moisture, while drier, cooler air approaches from the north. The convergence of these air masses downstream of the Yangtze River easily triggers strong convective clouds. A subtropical high pressure can be understood as a broad area of warm air during the summer weather stage. When a subtropical high pressure is in control of Shanghai, the city is often sunny, hot, and dry. As the subtropical high pressure moves eastward and southward, the rain belt, originally located on its periphery, also moves with it.